In this video, I will show you, as a reading specialist, how to move both students and staff that are inactive or even active within the district into different classrooms, or even move to different buildings as well. Okay, as a reading specialist, you do have this access, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, when you go to Scholastic Central, you want to go ahead and log in with your reading specialist account. From here, you want to select SAM. As soon as SAM loads, you want to click on the Roster tab. When you click on the Roster tab, over here on the right hand side, you're going to see Advanced Settings. Here, you want to scroll down to where it says Manage Inactive Accounts. And for this demonstration, I have a test teacher account that is at Northwest Tech, but I need to get them into this Summer Training School 2015. Okay, any staff or student that isn't in your school is considered inactive. Okay, so you're going to find these people in the inactive accounts, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so I'm going to click on Manage Inactive Accounts, and here you'll manage both students and staff inactive accounts. I'm going to show you how to do this as a teacher, but as I mentioned, this is going to be the same process if you're looking for students as well. You'll see the teacher name here, their username, their district user ID, and then their username, and then the school or any school that they may be already enrolled in at this time. Okay, so as I mentioned, I have a test teacher account that is inactive in relation to this school, and I'm going to scroll down and I will find that test teacher account, and here is that test teacher account, and as I said, it is at Northwest Tech. However, I want to move it to this Summer 2015 class that I have here because I am the quote-unquote reading specialist for this site. So although this account is active at Northwest Tech, in relation to this school, this account is inactive. So I'm going to go ahead and check the box next to the teacher. And then I'm going to, down here, where it says select an option, I'm going to choose Assign to a Class. And then I'm going to click Go. And then it's going to show me all the classes I have available for my school. And as you can see, only my school is going to be listed here because I am the reading specialist for this school. Okay. The other thing that's going to be helpful, and I'll show this in another video, before you get to this step, may be to create the class. I know it sounds kind of counterintuitive, but it's going to be easier to have the class there first. It's not going to show up in SAM unless you have a teacher assigned to that class, and as I mentioned, I'll show you in another video on how to do that as well. Okay, so now that I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and pick the class that I want to assign them to, or classes that I want to assign this teacher to. For example, Read 180 Training. I go ahead and click Save. And then when I go over here to Classes and I go to Read 180 Training, I'm going to find, actually, I'm going to go up here to Teacher first, and I'm going to find that test teacher account in my teachers. Okay, so that is how you will manage both students and staff. Okay, as I said, the process works the same way for students that may be inactive or active within the district. Okay, thanks a lot.